Welcome to Motivation at Hand, Ma. To know is to know how. At the genesis of this legal quest, the process to indict Donald is addressed. A story unfolding, yet far from rest. In the realm of justice, its fate is pressed. With early steps taken, the journey commences. A complex path, where the process dispenses. In pursuit of answers, no pretenses. At this beginning, the wheel turn, and you get it all, breaking all the fences. In the labyrinth of law, they navigate, gathering facts to illuminate. With each piece revealed, they evaluate. The unfolding tale, they contemplate. The legal battle now underway. A long road ahead, come what may. In the pursuit of the letter of the law, they will stay. At this starting point, the groundwork lay. Special counsel Jack Smith is currently embroiled in at least 8 secretive court battles relating to investigations involving Donald Trump. These cases aim to uncover closely guarded details about Trump's actions after the 2020 election and his handling of classified material. CNN obtained this information from sources and court records. The implications of the outcomes of these covert disputes are far-reaching, as they directly involve a potential 2024 presidential candidate. Moreover, they have the potential to influence legal precedents concerning the presidency, separation of powers, and attorney-client confidentiality in unprecedented ways. Despite the significance of these cases, most of the proceedings remain sealed, leaving the public unaware of the filings and decisions. The large number of challenges posed by potential witnesses before the grand jury is indicative of the extensive nature of the special counsel's investigation and Trump's combative approach when confronted with such inquiries. In contrast, Robert Mueller's investigation into Trump had only a few sealed proceedings aimed at obtaining additional answers. Similarly, Kenneth Starr's Whitewater investigation involved a total of 7 similar sealed cases. One crucial case that recently came to light involves efforts to reveal more information about direct conversations between Trump and his defense attorney, Evan Corcoran. The Justice Department contends that these conversations may be linked to furthering or covering up a crime connected to the Mar-a-Lago document boxes. Jack Smith's office declined to comment on this particular matter. Currently, approximately half a dozen cases are still ongoing in court, either before Chief Judge Beryl Howell or in the appeals court above her, the D.C. Circuit. These cases appear to follow the typical pattern of miscellaneous cases that arise during grand jury investigations, where prosecutors seek court assistance to enforce their subpoenas. Expectations are that more challenges will be filed by subpoenaed witnesses, including former Vice President Mike Pence. These forthcoming cases are likely to remain sealed as well and could raise questions about the protections afforded to the vice presidency. Investigations involving government officials often lead to sealed court proceedings because confidential grand jury witnesses often assert privileges, prompting prosecutors to seek judicial orders for obtaining additional answers, according to criminal law experts. The current situation is unusual, with multiple sealed cases related to Trump's investigations, making it challenging to gauge their progress or fully understand their significance. Among the known cases are the Department of Justice's ongoing effort to enforce a May 2022 subpoena for all classified records in Trump's possession. Additionally, there are appeals related to former Pence Chief Counsel Greg Jacob, Chief of Staff Mark Short, former Trump White House counsel Pat Cipollone, and Deputy White House counsel Patrick Philbin, all of whom have been questioned about Trump interactions. Furthermore, the seizure of Pennsylvania GOP Representative Scott Perry's cell phone in August has led to a challenge over the Justice Department's access to data from the phone, with potential implications for Congress. The case is currently scheduled for oral arguments in the appeals court. Transparency concerns surround these grand jury cases, and it remains uncertain when court documents might become available to the public. Media organizations such as the New York Times and Politico are advocating for redacted versions of sealed court fights related to grand jury investigations with claims of executive privilege involving Trump or his administration. However, the Justice Department opposes such disclosures and argues for even greater secrecy due to intense public interest in these cases. The final decision regarding the level of transparency rests with Chief Judge Beryl Howell. A journey of justice, attorneys align. where the process and accountability are intertwined. High officials held to the light, defined. In pursuit of justice, the law of the land enshrined. Within the halls of justice, Trump is not about to get lost. A hammer of justice, no matter the cost. Enforcing the law of the land, principles embossed. In these beginning chapters, justice emboldened. The scales have spoken, the truth unveiled. No power or rank, the law prevailed. A shift change, where the law of the land details. Upending crime no longer veiled. Eyes fixed on the future, we stand tall. The United States Department of Justice thunders its call. Be real with justice in every pocket of society. You break the law, you are thus enthralled. In this RICO crime we see DOJ's Jack Smith is standing tall, tearing down that wall. Sources: CNN, Caitlin Polonce, Casey Gannon, and Evan Perez. CNN published 6 a.m. EST, Thursday, February 16, 2023. Jack Smith, left, and Donald Trump. Trump employee flips and spills the beans to Jack Smith. Midas touch August 1, 2023. Michael Popak, Esquire, of Legal AF. Breaking news, CNN. Trump News. The Independent, latest, Trump legal fees top $40 million as 2020 election probe grand jury considers new indictment. NBC updated August 1, 2023, 2:11 p.m. NBC News. Trump live updates. Grand jury in election probe leaves courthouse. The grand jury examining Trump's role in the January 6 riot and efforts to overturn the 2020 election is arriving at the federal courthouse in Washington. NY Times August 1, 2034. Why is Trump so hard to beat? Trump lawyer says searches for classified material at Trump properties are complete. Third Trump attorney appears before federal grand jury investigating Mar-a-Lago documents. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.